Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the Chinese small mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find next-rate Chinese investment. It's Tuesday, March the 15th. As you can see, I'm not in my best attire today. That's what happens when you're up all night watching the Japanese markets, literally melting down upon, bouncing around all over the place. Great crisis, great opportunities on the financial side. Nobody wants to profit from the tragedy there, but the fact of the matter is we do have to watch our portfolios, and there's a lot going on. So pardon the appearance slightly, but let's get to the one press release of the day. It comes out of China SKI Medical, CSKI in the U.S. It's a pharmaceutical company producing over-the-counter drugs in the PRC. They put out their fourth year and full year numbers for the period ended December 31st. I'm going to give you the full year numbers. Revenues are up 2% to $132.7 million. Net income's up 16% to $36 million, or $2.14 per diluted share. Now, given the fact that they closed yesterday at $4.89, and in fact they're actually down about 50 cents, let's call it $4.30, about $4.40 right now as we're speaking in real time. That sounds like an unbelievable deal because you're basically talking about a company trading at 2 times earnings. However, it is the subject of some controversy. Back in February, around February 22nd, the company announced that they are correcting financial reports for the years 2007 to 2009 and submitting to the local SAIC offices in the jurisdictions in China in which their company subsidiaries are located. So that has obviously scared investors quite a bit given what's going on in the Chinese reverse merger space. However, it does say that they believe the financial information included in the amended reports is consistent with what they've already reported to the via the SEC filings. So it doesn't look like, if that's right, it wouldn't have any kind of material impact on what's already out there, and that might be good news. I also like the fact that they've extended an invitation to shareholders to visit China SKI Medical's locations in Harbin. In fact, they're picking up the cost of local transportation and local hotels. That's putting your money where your mouth is, and they intend to host an investor week. So this may be an example of a baby being thrown out with the bathwater when it comes to a Chinese reverse merger space, because when you see a company openly and transparently talking about its issues, how they're solving them, in fact, inviting people in, that's a pretty good sign. Not a lot of companies are able to do that, but a pharmaceutical company like China SKI Medical can obviously afford to get that done. 52-week trading range, 1749 on the high, 459 on the low. If it closed where it's at right now, and let's see, right now it looks like it's at $4.33, down 56 cents or 11.5%. That's going to set a fresh 52-week low. So the decision you have to make, you got to do your own due diligence. You got to make a decision on what you think about these reports, these corrected financial reports. If you think that China SKI Medical, in fact, just has to correct the reports at the local levels, but the filings with the SEC are fine, then you may be able to pick up a baby in the bathwater, a real gem here, and pick it up at an incredibly cheap price. This is a dangerous game with high risk, high reward. China SKI Medical looks like it has the goods, but you have to do your own due diligence. Hopefully we brought it to your attention. You can do the rest of the work. As always, if you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies, get yourself to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Watch this show on a daily basis, or take a look at the archives through YouTube, iTunes, and your preferred video provider. Take a look at the best press releases of the past few days right on the front page, separated by industry to make it easier for you. And finally, get yourself into the directory where we're tracking about 250 of what we believe to be the best Chinese small mid-cap companies trading on North American exchanges. We've got succinct descriptions of each, but you can filter the list by industry and or exchange to bring it down to a list that's most suitable for your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.